Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Agrias Butterfly. So you can find it near the jump puzzle area, which is right here on the map. So right around this area, you'll find the butterfly just hanging around, fluttering around. But yeah, that is where you can find the Agrias Butterfly. Don't really know how to pronounce it 100%, but I found another one here. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. This was also one of the harder butterflies that I caught, like other than the moth. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.